Right here.
I can't.
Right here. Oh, there you go. Okay, take him to the car. Take him to the car. Take him to the car. You are so strong.
No, please. No. I can't.
Go over there. Go over there on the other side. Now what are you going to do?
Yeah.
What are you going to do? Okay. Okay, close the door. No, put that in the front seat. Close the door. Watch your fingers. Move your fingers. Here,